my name's Rory Gagon. I'm the CEO of camLine USA. I'm very excited to announce to you today that the camLine Forum USA is returning to the USA for the first time in 8 years. For the past year, Intel and camLine have been collaborating to improve on factory throughput offerings, and we're excited to showcase those to you this year at the forum. camLine is excited to present to you our end-to-end factory solutions, including MCS, SPC, and solutions in between and all roundabout. If you've been with us previously, you know the energy already of a camLine forum. If this is your first time, I invite you to come and experience with me. For further information and to register, please visit camline.com/forum. I look forward to seeing you there.